Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss HTML responsive designs. Although the responsive designs are basically the main concept, and today and nowadays it is more used in Bootstrap, but you can also build responsive designs in HTML. We will build some responsive designs on basic level. This video will be divided in two videos. We will today build some responsive designs, and in the next lecture we will complete it. So let's start that how we can basically create responsive designs. First, let me tell you that what is responsive designs. Responsive designs are the ones which become fits on every device. For example, you have written a paragraph, you have embedded a picture, you have given any content, and you want to make fit on any device. For example, usually people write it for PC or laptops, but when they check it on their mobile phones, it's look not good and the text is disturbing and not set on the device. So to make it set on every device, it is called responsive designs or mobile friendly. So first let me create one heading, and I say that this is the heading which we want to be responsive, and one paragraph with it. This paragraph I want to be fit on every device because I want to build responsive web design. So if I want my heading and paragraph to be responsive, for this we will use meta tag. So the meta name would be basically viewport. What is viewport? Viewport is basically the view of the device. So we want our viewport to scale and fit to every device. So for this we are saying that the content should be width is equal to device width. It means that my content, heading and paragraph should take the width according to different devices. What is the width of device? It will take that width and height. And the initial zoom level is defined by initial scale. So the initial scale is equal to 1.0, or the zoom level is 1 initially. So when I use that the width should be of according to the device, then it would be set according to the device. Whatever the device is either it is a mobile phone, a tablet, a PC, it will be shown according to it. So as you can see that this is basically our heading, and as you can see that it is becoming fit on the screen when I control minus it, or when I control plus it, so it is setting on the device. Control minus means that I'm just checking on the smaller device, and control plus means that I am checking it on the larger screen. You can basically switch to different devices modes when you install Mozilla or Firefox. There you have the option of checking different devices. Even in mobile phones you can check Samsung, iPhone, everyone. So I'm just checking on my Chrome with control plus and control minus, so it has become setting on every size. Now if I want my images to be responsive, then how I will do it? For example, I have an image. I'm taking this image, which is by the name of man. I have on my desktop. So let me take this image. This is an image with me, and now let me run it. So as you can see that the image is really disturbing because it's not getting fit on the screen or my laptop. As you can see that the horizontal scroll is also there, the vertical scroll is also there, so it's not becoming fit. This is because it's having a large resolution or width and height. So I want to become fit it on my PC. So for this what I will do, in my CSS I will write that the width should be 100%. When I give it 100% width, it will become fit to my device. So now as you can see that the device has taken 100% width and it has become fit and the horizontal scroll has been removed. Now if I control plus it, or I want to increase its size, then what will be the effect by control plus? So I don't want, now if someone increase its size with control plus, or if there is a more larger device but I don't want its width to be increased anymore, a max width property. Maximum width means that the width of this picture should not increase from 100% whatever device it is, and the height I want to be auto. Like I want the height to set automatically to with every device, but I want my image width to not change. So the maximum width would be 100%, which means that this picture width should not be increased from 100%, whatever device it is, and the height it should take automatically according to the device. Let us reform. If I increase it, so as you can see that the image is not increasing from 100%. If I control plus it, so my upper text is basically increasing in size, but my lower image is not increasing in size. Let me do it again, control plus. As you can see my text is increasing, but my image is not increasing anymore. Or let me show it to you again. If I control minus it, so see the text is decreased and the image is on the same size. Now let me increase it again so that you can see the effect. When I control plus it, the image is not increasing in size but the text is increasing. This is because of the reason that I have used the max width property. So it's recommended that you always use max width property. It will really help you. So guys, this was about a little overview about responsive designs of text and images in HTML. In our next lecture, we will basically build a layout in HTML, but it would not be a simple layout. We will basically create a responsive layout with media queries. How to use media queries and how we can build responsive full layout in HTML would be in the next lecture. So stay tuned and take care. Bye for now.